So how you can be motivated to do things? I'll be honest, motivation would not help you a lot. It's good motivation that you have, but the one thing that you should prioritize is your mental health. But let me tell you something about that. You think that your own enemy, would stop at any cost? Your friend, he probably likes your girl or whichever girl you want. He's gonna steal it and you just gonna fail. You are in a competition with dozens of men. If you don't do nothing today, you letting your competition go away to have the prize. No way you're gonna stop for nobody. Think about it this. Everybody is trying to kill each other off. Of course you're gonna not survive. But you want to get a slightly advantage over your enemy so you can win. As I can tell you, they will not stop. Right now, they probably doing stuff, working, exercising, being intelligent, studying, doing more things, and keep improving each other off. Well, him improving his own self. You must have this belief. This belief will serve you forever. You are the person who you will be. You will be because today I'm gonna work. I'm not gonna slack off. That girl is gonna be mine. I'll be honest. I also have this thought on my mind, and it really works. So let me tell you about it. So I'm I call it like prophecies or something like that, right? Everything that comes out of my mouth will come true, no matter what. So if you slack off, if you do this and you do that, it's gonna happen. So when I say I'm gonna work, I'm actually gonna work. I'm just not gonna be those dumbasses who say, "Yeah, I'm working," and then start playing video games like after the entire day. No, never be that guy. If you're gonna say it like I'm gonna do it. Be a man. If you said it, do it. No wait. No waiting. So of course, if you do not work, somebody else is gonna beat you. You must continue working hard. Use everything as an advantage. Your friends, maybe they trying to make you fail. The only thing that you can do that it can improve you right now is having the belief that you will do it. And you're actually gonna do it today. Nothing about, oh, I'm just gonna do it later on. No. Right now, you said it, do it right now. No matter what. I literally just improve right now. Because, fucking shit. You see this? There are scripts that I can read out because I struggle to keep points or I talk about a different topic that doesn't really matter. So literally, I'm improving right now so I can defeat my competition. And I will be that guy. I will. Let me tell you about, no matter what, if you're watching this, right? They hurt you. Before, I was dating this girl, right? She was a sweet girl and all that. But the bad thing is that they don't know nothing about the female anatomy. So of course I acted like a Jeffrey or a dumbass or sport or loser. But whatever I said happened true becomes reality. You also can have this power, but the only thing that you need to do is actually keep working. Because if there's no progress, that means that the part that you said is gonna get stuck in time. And I realized that. So, you gotta hurry up before I get all your women. Because if you don't, they're gonna love me. Of course, I'm gonna be with somebody else. But watch out, because they're not gonna love you. They're gonna love somebody else.
Can I have one more?
No.
Ah.
So you better right now. Start now. At least meditate about 2 minutes. It will help you a little bit. Sleep early today. Right now, I fucked up my sleep. I know. Let me tell you something. Like, it is a consequence by sleeping late. I only slept like 5 because I was fighting demons in my head. I'm getting close to winning, defeating my competition, and then find the next goal. You know how crazy it is? Everything that you know may be true, except homosexual or something like that. The only person who can control is you. But you must do work, progress, progress, and increase, and all that. Yeah, you may wait a little bit so you can have parties, but don't do it all the time. Don't overeat. So now for real, I know what is my purpose. My my body, my mind is in flames. I know my demons that I need to fight. If I can do it, I may conquer. I may conquer the earth itself. May go to a different planet. May conquer right there. And increase, and all that. So like that, there will be future for different generations to come. Other than that, I have that's all the things that I need to tell you. You must increase. No, nothing like that. I'll be honest. You're a bitch. You're not doing your work, your exercise, nothing. It's good that you relax today or whatever, right? But I think that you should plan today and sleep early and meditate at least like 1 hour. Do it right now. Then the next video I'm gonna show you how you can be consistent on your work, because of course you're gonna forget it or you feel so lazy. I have already the plan for you tomorrow. So keep working hard, do the work, and let's get back what we stole. Let's get back what they took from us and give and gain twice the amount that they stole us. See ya.